assessment asks us to identify the acid and the conjugate acid for this particular acid-base reaction. To do so, we'll look at all the molecules on the reactants and product side. One way to find the acid and conjugate acid is to look for the one hydrogen atom that moves during the course of this reaction. Acid-base reactions involve one hydrogen moving from the acid on the reagent side to the conjugate acid on the product side. If I look at all the hydrogens implied or explicitly drawn, the one that I'm focusing on is the hydrogen here attached to isopropanol. This hydrogen is no longer attached to isopropanol in the product, the isopropoxide in the product. Instead, it is now attached as the hydrogen on the carboxylic acid in acetic acid. There was no hydrogen on the acetate, and now there is one on acetic acid. That tells me this is the hydrogen that moves during the course of this reaction. This is the acidic hydrogen. What that means is on the reactant side then, the hydrogen on isopropanol, this is the acid. And the acetic acid in the product, this is our conjugate acid.